Hey, hi friends. Welcome to CodePlayOn.com. Friends, if you not subscribe my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel for all latest Android video and Android solutions. I will provide you with latest code, Android X and new solution for all Android mobile applications. So friends, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press on bell icon for all updates. So let's start on today's topic. Today's topic is Android security SSL pinning. What is SSL pinning? SSL pinning is a mobile application and your server security certifications. On there is your server, and here is your applications, and your application is using REST API and network API. You can add a certificate to verify security. Your API is running only with certificate. It's a trust of your API with running with your SSL certificate for ethnic hacking for data and something like this. So friends, uh, here you can learn how to use SSL pinning in your mobile application in Android. For core to SSL is a secure socket layer for manage your REST API connectivity to your mobile application with the SSL certificate, and making a trust of chain certificate that lead layer certificate for intermediate for root authority of your APIs and your server. Using SSL in Android app in easy way, I am sharing a simple way to use Android SSL pinning. Root certification, how to find root certification in your mobile application. Comes pre-installation Android device with around 152 including in Android N. You can check what in your own device by going to follow steps, setting, security and trust credentials. You can find your application certificate trusted or not. So SSL pinning also now is a public pinning to attempt to solve the issue of SSL security of your mobile APIs. The certification chain use one your app expect by checking particular key and certificates appearance. So friend, SSL pinning is a intermediate layer to secure your API and your server connectivity your mobile applications. So let's how to use SSL pinning in your mobile applications. How to use certification in your mobile applications. So if your minimum SDK is 24, if your minimum Android SDK is 24 target, so you can just simply create a network security configurations. Network security configurations like is your application running on same network. Do not redirect any other network and any other APIs. They will go error. Like is pinning certificate for Google certificate. with X.5059 certificate. So you just follow this step and create simply a network XML. So in Android and you can use easy. So throw simply entry and in your manifest file specify XML configuration file. So I will give a live example for you manage this. So friends, first off you can start your Android Studio, open your manifest file. In your manifest file you can manifest file in application tag you can add network security configuration tag add in your manifest file application, and in your XML create an XML folder. In XML folder you can create a XML file network configuration security. In network configuration security you can add domain, your base URL for your domain with API connectivity like include and true codepleon.com, pin set your SH1256 pin set enter in your there, and these create XML file you can add your in manifest file. In this application I have used SSL pinning, like you can see adding manifest file. I am clicking on there. Here I am using domain name and SSL pinning set. Like just click on RS. In RS you can click new. After new you can click a new folder. New folder XML resource and something SS like this. I have required XML resource folder. So you can create XML resource folder with name XML, and in XML folder you can create a XML file network security configuration. In network security configuration you just copy this code and paste, and after paste you can change your domain name and your pin set just like this and run your application successfully. If you have not used HTTPS and something like, your application is not running with match with domain. If you use any other domain your application is not running. If you are using OKHTTP with pinning you can create a method certificate create new builder and set your pin set. If you are using retrofit you can create method retrofit. In retrofit you can add base URL, and base URL you can add factory create JSON convert like your base URL is configure. If you SSL pin with Picasso for showing image वगैरह you can set OKHTTP build and set single instance. If you are using HTTPS URL connectivity you can create a class validate pinning certificate X59 path and use your method in where you can call first your API in your app. If you are using Volley, you can create a method in Volley request. In Volley request, you can add SSL pinning after your request. So just like a basic of friend in current of we have latest Android update and something like you can use just simply step for SSL pinning, create a XML file, add this code and run in your add in manifest file and run successfully after that your SSL pinning. So friends, if you like my video and help to you, so please subscribe my YouTube channel, press on bell icon or latest security and latest Android code. Thank you very much.